Welcome. If you've ever sent a sticker in an Instagram group chat by mistake, or simply changed your mind, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsend a sticker from a group on the Instagram app using your PC, all thanks to the latest update. Let's get started and make those little mishaps disappear in just a few clicks. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. You'll find it's easier than ever to manage your messages with the updated interface. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will take you straight to your direct messages. Next, scroll through your chats and open the group where you sent the sticker. If you're in a lot of group chats, you can use the search bar at the top to find the right one quickly. Once you're inside the group chat, it's time to hunt down that sticker you want to remove. Find the sticker message you wish you could take back. Hover your mouse over the sticker, and you'll notice 3 small dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. This is where the magic happens. From the menu, select the Unsend option. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to unsend this message. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Just like that, the sticker will vanish from the group chat for everyone, almost like it was never there in the first place. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily unsend any sticker from a group chat on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes managing your messages and keeping your chats tidy easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!